Hey Celsius users, do you know that the Sigrity 2019 HF2 release is now available? And it contains several new and exciting features in the Celsius thermal solver area. Let's introduce some of the top ones to you. You can now control when the solution is considered converged by defining the convergence criteria in the Celsius fluid flow simulation module. You can select only the residual values or a combination of residual and monitor point values as the convergence criteria. You can also monitor the solution convergence and plot the convergence data while running the simulation. You can now control the mesh refinement of your design by selecting the desired mesh refinement criteria in the Celsius fluid flow simulation module. Mesh refinement on geometry refines the selected geometries in the design, while mesh refinement on region creates mesh refinement regions and applies local mesh in those critical regions. You can also preview the mesh refinement by clicking the Preview Mesh icon in the toolbar. Several enhancements have been made to the power dissipation setup using the Voltus static thermal model. Now, when you set up dissipation using the Voltus static thermal model, you can import the power map file and preview how the power values map to the corresponding data points in the die. You can also add probe nodes to different layers of the die. You can now use the results from a previous simulation run as an input for the current transient simulation. The results of a simulation run are saved in a result file in the workspace folder. The Use Existing Solution as Initial Condition option allows you to reuse the saved results in the current simulation. Celsius now provides clash detection options that help you identify conflicts between the objects and the design. While working on a design, you can run clash detection checks to see if there is any collision between objects. These checks can be specifically useful in projects with a large number of objects. Let's have a quick recap of the Celsius features. Using the convergence control options, you can set the convergence criteria and plot the convergence data. You can now specify how the mesh in your design should be refined during the simulation by selecting the appropriate mesh refinement options. You can also preview the mesh refinement before the simulation run. While setting power dissipation using the Voltus static thermal model, you can preview how the power values map to the corresponding data points in the die. You can also add probe nodes to different layers of the die. You can save the results of a simulation run in a result file in the workspace folder and reuse it as an input in a new transient simulation. New clash detection options are now available to identify the conflicts between the objects in a design. Now that you know about the top features of Celsius, what are you waiting for? Go and download Sigrity 2019 HF2.